Hi, this is Lauren with LKR Soap and Such and Lauren KR's Naturals. I'm going to cut my latest loaf of soap, which is my all-natural oat milk and honey. I sold out of my last batch, and I decided to do a little bit of a different type of a swirl on this, where half of it is honey and the other half is oat milk with some colloidal oats in it. And I thought I'd bring you along for the cut. And then we'll talk a little bit about this. This is all natural. There are no fragrances in this at all. It is for people with sensitive skin, rashed skin, whatever. So this is like a half and half bar. Have you ever tried one of these oat milk bars? Do you have sensitive skin? The oats and the oat milk itself will soothe your skin. I'm not sure what the exfoliating factor on this one is. The last one that I did had quite a bit of exfoliation, but I won't know until I actually try it out as to what that exfoliation is in this one. That's another end. We may do a lather test on this in a couple days. And is fragrance free. Thank you for watching so much. You guys have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. So I want to go ahead and do this lather test for my oatmeal and honey. Put some nice warm water in my bowl. Pull up my sleeves. And I'm going to go ahead and take this piece right here. This is the honey portion, and this is the oatmeal portion. I want to try and determine the lather and also how much exfoliation I'm going to get. So I'm going to put our bar down in there. I'm going to wet my hands. Ooh, slippery little booger. And then we're just going to go around and around and around. It's nice and creamy and soft. Stick that right there. We're getting some nice lather. It's soft on the skin. Put a little more water in there and you get even more. And we'll rinse them off. Now, the exfoliation factor is not as high as the last batch of oat milk and honey that I made, but you can see the bits of oats that are in there. So there is a tad bit of exfoliation, but not a tremendous amount. So this is my oat milk and honey, my lather test. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel and comment about your experience potentially with some oat milk and honey soap or oat milk soap. God bless. Bye-bye.